Alright, back with some more blind boxes. Got a couple of the second series with the Loyal Subject Masters of the Universe. So, see who we get. Bag number 1. We have He-Man. Got He-Man. One of them I don't own, so that's good. His He-Man. Got his sword, shield, and battle axe. Pretty cool. Don't have him. He is. So, really need a Triclops. Triclops and Evil Lyn is about who I need, so set him right here. Box number 2. Oh, we got Beast Man. Let me look. Alright. So I'm not sure how to tell which one is the rare one or not. It says flocked. I'm not sure what. I'll have to find some pictures on the internet. Here's this Beast Man. Got his whip. Let me. This is the Beast Man from the first series. And then this one's just, it's all red. So. See if I can. So let's see if we can get their weapons on them and display them real quick. I have no idea where I'm gonna put him. Gotta get him stand up first. Alright. So open up the He-Mans. See how we're gonna do this. So I wish I could find some of the first series out. I still think they're made better. But These ain't too bad. Alright. Give him his shield in his hand. Put the power sword on his back. Give him his battle axe. Right. There. Shit. Pardon my language. There we go. I hate his whip. There you go. See what we got. Again, not sure. Sorry about that. Trying to get the camera to go around it more. Not sure where to put these. Get them standing up. Yeah, do that later. Anyways, this is the guy we got. Thank y'all.